Meaning of Dutch courage.
Dutch courage.
Dutch courage.
Dutch courage.
Dutch courage. Dutch courage is a term that refers to the act of consuming alcohol to boost one's confidence or bravery in a challenging situation. The term is believed to have originated during the 17th century Anglo-Dutch Wars when British soldiers observed Dutch troops consuming alcohol before going into battle. The result of Dutch courage can vary depending on the situation and the individual, but typically involves a temporary feeling of increased confidence and boldness, which may lead to poor decision-making, recklessness, or impaired judgment. Long-term consequences can include addiction, health problems, and legal issues related to alcohol consumption.